Hello, good morning student. As you know, in previous class we learned about Indian face value chart. I hopefully you will understood it properly. Today we will take our next topic, International Place Value Chart. Now today we will learn about International Place Value Chart. According to International Place Value, numbers are grouped into periods. एज यू लाइक जैसा कि आपने इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में भी देखा, नंबर हमारे ग्रुप किए जाते हैं पीरियड्स के अंदर. एंड इंडियन अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट और बियॉन्ड 999 एवरी नंबर ग्रुप इन टू प्लेसेस. एवरी ग्रुप है टू प्लेसेस. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट every group or period have three places. This is the difference between Indian place value chart and international place value chart. In Indian place value chart, about every period after 999, every period have only two places, ones and tens. But according to international place value chart, every period have three places: 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. We will see it here again. You can see one chart here. I mean here 1 lakh equal to 100,000, 10 lakh equal to 1 million, 1 crore equal to 10 million, 10 crore equal to 100 million, and 100 crore equal to 1 billion. Now I am taking a number here. Now first what we do, we have to do separating these number by using commas. हमको comma use करके इन numbers को according to international place value chart के according separate करना है. Then you can see these periods have, all periods have three places. So we will put the commas after three digit. Now 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Then we are putting. Now we are separating these number by putting commas according to international place value chart. Now after that what will we do? We do placing according to international number. Now first again ones, tens, 100. This is our ones period. What is this? Ones period. Ones, tens, 100. After that thousands period will come. Then we will placing on the top of every number 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. After that which period will come? The millions period will come. Then we do the placing on the top of 4. So first what will come? Million. Now you can see here it is ones period. ये आपका ones period and it is thousand period. Thousand period also have three places: tens, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And million period here, because I have written only one number, so million period also have three places: million, 10 million and 100 million. But I have not written any number before 4, so we can put a 0 here. So we can read this number because the number is not here. So 4 million. How many million? 4 million. And this is 1000 period. Then we can read only this number. What is this written? 878. What is written here? 878. What? 878,000. What will we say here? 878,000. Then ones period will come. We can read 597. How you can read the number? See it once again. We can read this number: 4,878,597. Another example we are taking so that you can read the number according to this international place value chart. So every period have 3 places. You can see in the table every period have 3 places. So we have to put a comma after 3 digits. 1 2 3 1 2 3 and again 1 2 3 and I am taking adding one more digit here 9 and 1 2 3. So once again we can do placing on the top. After that we can read this number easily. Then ones, tens, hundred. First ones period will come. How many places have ones period? 3 places. So we have to do the placing on the top of every number. After that which period will come? Thousands period. Then we will put in 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then which period will come? Millions period. Then million, 10 million and 100 million. If we are going so on, so we can write billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. We can write here million, 10 billion and 100 billion. Billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. We can write it if we want to know. Now we are taking our millions period. So I am erasing this. Only we will learn today up to 100 million. So we can measure. You can see here how many places have million period? 3 places. Once 100 million, 10 million and million. Now it is a 1 period. You can see here how many million? 795 million. How can we read this? 795 million. Again, which period will come? Thousands period. So we will read the number. How many thousand? 895,000. Then 433. It is also grouped in ones period. So how can we read the number? 795 million 895,433. Now one number I am taking, we will place that according to Indian place value chart. Same number we will use in international place value chart. This we are doing according to Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. इस नंबर को हम कैसे कर रहे हैं? रीड कर रहे हैं according to Indian place value chart. Then always I am telling to you, if you want to read any number and putting a comma inside the number, you have to do the first placing on the top. According to Indian place value, you know beyond 999 number grouped in periods, and after that all periods have 2 places. First period में हमारे 3 places होते हैं according to Indian place value chart. After that we have only 2 places. Every period have only 2 places. Then we can say ones, tens, 100, then it is ones period, then 1000 period, 1000, 10,000, then according to Indian place value chart, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. You can see here, it is first have 3 places, ones period have 3 places, then 1000 periods have 2 places. And lakh period also have 2 places and crore period have also 2 places. this chart our according to Indian place value chart. So we can read this number. How many crore? We can read 89 because it have only two places, ones and tens. Crore period have only two places, ones and tens. Lakh is also ones and tens. Thousand period also have two places, ones and tens. And ones period have three period, ones, tens, 100. So we can read this number 89 crore. How many crore? 89 because it has only two places. Then 89 crore. Then how many number is it in lakh period? 56. 89 crore 56 lakh. And how many thousand are written here? 78,933. You can read it easily. 89 crore 56 lakh 78,933. I am taking same numbers. We have to read it according to international place value chart. I am taking same number. 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 3. I am taking same number, but this time we have to placing these number according to international place value chart. Now, in this number are grouped into periods. Every periods have three places. इसमें क्या है? हर पीरियड में three places है. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. This time what is coming? 100,000. Then million, 10 million and 100 million. We can do the placing on the top. So million period have three places. You can see here. This is our million period. And this is our thousand period. Thousand period also have three places. And it is our ones period. Now we can read our number. How many hundred? 895 what? Million. We can see. After that we have to read this million period. 895,678,933. Same number we are reading according to international place value chart. Here upside you can see Indian place value chart. The same number is written on upside. We read this number 89 crore 56 lakh 78,933. It is our according to Indian place value chart. And internationally we can read this number 895,678,933. You can see here some difference between here 1000 periods have two places, but here 1000 periods have three places. 100 place also is there, and here lakh period have two. Here million period have three places. This is the difference between Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Another number I am taking so that you can read the number according to international place value chart. I am taken one number. We have to read this number according to international place value chart. What do we do first? We do placing on the top of every number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Without placing, it will be difficult to read the number. It will be easy for you if you do placing first on the every number. You can read the number easily. Now you can see here it is ones period. Have three places, three numbers. 1,000 periods, three places. Million period also have three places. Now, can you read this number? We can read it. 9, how many hundred? 956 million. 956 million. Here is how many hundred? 609. Because 1,000, 10,000 places 0, so 609. What? 1,000. See again, 600 because 10th place is vacant, so 609,537. Read it again. 956,609,537. This is our international place value chart. And you can see here also a chart and you will learn it. 1 lakh equal to 100,000. 10 lakh equal to 1 million. 1 crore equal to 10 million. 10 crore equal to 100 million. And 100 crore equal to 1 billion. Now, we are taken our next topic, forming greatest and smallest number. Forming greatest and smallest number by using given digits. Now I am making here a table. I am making here a table. Here digits. Greatest number. Smallest number. No. Here I am writing some digits. Here I am writing some digits 4, 0, 3, 7. Here 5, 9, 0, 0, 8. Here 8, 3 and 7. So we have to use this number to form a greatest number and smallest number. How many digits I have given here? 4. So you have to all 4 digits. You know, if we make the greatest number, the order will be greatest to smallest. जो हमारा greatest number होता है, सबसे बड़ा नंबर होता है, उसका ऑर्डर हमारा बड़े से छोटे नंबर की तरफ जाता है. So we can make the greatest number easily. If we have two same digit, अगर हम किसी नंबर में दो सेम डिजिट है हमारे साथ, तो we can put the same time. हम उनको एक साथ रख सकते हैं. Then you can see here 4037. First we have to make greatest number. So which is the greatest number in this table? 7. After that which number? Before that 4. Then 3 and 0 is our smallest number. So we can write here 0. The number will become 7430. If you want to make smallest number, so can you say, will you put the 0 first? Because you will tell 0 is smallest number. 0, 3, 4 and 7. The number is right? No, it is not right. Because before the 0, before that, this number, before the 0, no means of 0 to put here. So, I want to use the 4 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here is 3 digit. So, you make it another number. तो आफ्टर द 0 के बाद सबसे छोटा नंबर हमारा कौन सा है? 3. तो वी विल पुट 3 फर्स्ट. आफ्टर दैट 0. उसके बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 0. देन 0. अब 3 से बड़ा कौन था? 4. देन वी विल पुट हियर 7. द नंबर विल बिकम 3047. नंबर क्या बना हमारा? 3047. Again you can see here greatest number. We have to make greatest number. The greatest number is here 9. After that 8. Then 5 and we have to put all 2 zeros together. Okay. The number will become 98,500. Now we have to make smallest number. Again we can't put the 0 at the first. पहले नंबर पर हम 0 नहीं रख सकते. Then we can see here the number after 0 5. कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 5. 0 के बाद हमारा उससे बड़ा नंबर कौन है? 5. So we can put the 5 first. After that we put 2 zeros together. Then we will put 8. Then 9. The digit are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number will become 50,089. And if you can do this,